I was living with my pregnant sister in a quiet, isolated house at the edge of the woods. Life felt peaceful until one morning, a black bird appeared on my window, staring at me with unblinking eyes. At first, I thought it was harmless, just a hungry creature. I tossed it a piece of bread and it flew away. But the next day, it returned, and the next. Each time I fed it, I felt something strange crawling inside me, a hunger that wasn't mine. Soon, I couldn't stop eating. Bread, meat, even raw food. I devoured everything. My sister was terrified, but I couldn't control myself. That night, as I looked into the mirror, I saw the bird's black eyes staring back at me. The hunger didn't belong to me. It belonged to the bird. And now it lives inside me.